All right, the funniest thing just happened. Maybe I've been doing so many videos that I'm getting like video drunk or something. But I was doing the video and it wasn't recording. And then if you don't hit record and you're in video, it will go out of video to your main page on your phone. So it goes out of the video, and I'm like, what's going on? So I just thought I would tell you. I thought that was pretty funny. And this is video 9 of Look What Just Found. And the funny thing is, I found this. This is the last of the 1950s pennies here, and the these are the finds from the previous video, and these are the super errors from today. And the first two pennies that I looked through, not recording, they were both error pennies, and this one weighs three. I picked it up and I was like, oh, I feel it's heavy. So I said, let me weigh it. It weighs 3.27, which is heavy. Okay, so that's a heavy penny. And then this one, I said, the scale was still on, so let me weigh it because it looked funny. And it's a light penny, but it's also, this is 2.65. You understand how light that is? But it's also, it has a severe, it's rimless. I don't even know what to say about this. Wait. Okay, so it is. Let me zoom in a bit. But look, it's rimless. I mean, like there's no rim on it. I'm gonna call this a super error. I've never seen anything like this before. So it's also light. I'm not gonna put the sticker on it because I have to put the sticker. I won't remember that it's light. That's why I'm doing the flags. If I don't put a flag on it, I'm not going to remember that detail of it. So that's what I have to do. It doesn't do anything to the coin whatsoever. I'm just going to put light on it. And this is going with the super errors. If I find a 3.3 weight penny, then I'll put that with the super errors also. But right now we have a heavy penny, and that's really it. Let me take a sip of my soda. It's not soda; it's sparkling water. I stopped drinking soda a long time ago. Some of these just feel kind of heavy, and I think most of them that I find is 3.8 are like 3.05 grams to like 315. So over 315 is a heavy penny, but not that heavy. But once you start hitting 3.2 grams, that's too heavy. So this is video 9. I think this is going to be. Let me check that out. The 9 and the D. Oh wow. Yeah. Let me look at that too. It's hard to tell. Usually when the penny looks like, when it looks melted, then that's usually an indication that it's a lamination error. You can see this looks melted. Almost. I'm saying, I know it's not melted, but I'm saying almost melted. All right, I'll put that over there. I'll keep that as I have a pile called common errors, like to be looked at some future point. And then I'm keeping all the very fines and the heavies and the lights and all that. 302. All right. It's light, but I'm not keeping them. Well, let me know what you think. The channel's doing very well. Thank you all for subscribing. I really appreciate it. We're chugging right along. And I'm taking that as a positive sign that, my content's pretty good. I have a lot of fun. I think that's probably the most important aspect of making videos is whether or not you enjoy what you're doing. This is almost like a fine penny. What do you think? Think this is fine? I mean, very fine? Nah. Maybe fine. Very good to fine. You gotta really see those details in the hair and the chin and all that. Feels heavy. 315. So I think that's probably the most important aspect is if you enjoy what you're doing. And so I watch people too, obviously, because this is a subject that interests me. And let me look at that D. And it's a heavy penny. 327. That's heavy. The D might have some doubling to it. It's hard to tell. Oop. But it's a heavy penny. And if you enjoy what you're doing, they say, if you enjoy what you do, you'll never work a day in your life. Well, as long as that pays your rent or your mortgage, I guess you're okay. Otherwise, you might have to do something you don't like to pay the bills. And that's just life. 58. Don't get many of those. I wonder if they have a lower mintage. So I've been doing these videos all day and yesterday, probably driving my wife nuts. But she watches my videos too. She likes them. I think that's pretty cool. You just can't do them in the middle of the night anymore. YouTube created drama, right? Man, that 6 looks weird. A lot of these pennies look weird to me. I think it's just flat. 307. Nine looks a little filled. Whatever. I want a good error. I want a really nice error, man. 55. I want a really, really nice error. I mean, we did find that one at the beginning of the video. That was sweet. Oh, look at those little holes. That's pretty cool. Let me weigh that one. 307. All right. Here's a nice brown one. 52. Interesting. 319. 319. I'm not holding on to the ones under 320. There's a nice brown penny though. I'll put it to the side. It's got a little bit of the grain on it. You see that? Let's see. Let's see if that's true. Let me wipe it with my finger. I'm not going to waste my time, you know. Did it come off? Not really. I don't know. If it's not a strong wood grain error, what's that? What's that on the top? Eh, I'm not going to hold on to it. If you watch my video, if you want to see some great errors, watch the video from the 1919 S roll that I opened. Sick. Let me tell you that I don't know how that video didn't go viral, man. Sick finds in that role. Absolutely amazing. I guess I'm not paying money, right? You have to pay money for your videos to go viral. I ain't doing that, man. We're going al dente, baby, in this channel. Either my content is good enough to stand on its own merits. Look at the 5. 5 is filled. Or I do something else. That's all. Plain and simple. But so far, it looks like people like it, and I'm glad about it. And I guess you guys like it because I like it. I don't know. Looks filled into me. I'll put it with the common errors. The 9 is filled. What do they call that? Extra metal. It's common error. Yeah, so we did find that one really great error at the beginning. The rimless. I'll do a short on that. Few more. I've been doing this since this morning. Found some nice stuff. That's fine condition, huh? What do you think? Yeah, that's fine. That's a nice looking penny. It's pretty deep rim. Let's weigh this one. 317. It's a little overweight. All right, 3 more. That's it. Like I said, I might do one later. Might do a video later if I'm bored. Otherwise, I will. Well, I'm gonna do the shorts. That's for sure. On the special coins, I'll do the shorts. Otherwise, I'll see you mañana. What do you think? Last coin magic. Looks like the D might be a little double in there. I'll put it a little, go a little closer on this one. Yeah, I'll put it with the. So these are the common errors. Let me go out, zoom out. These are the common errors we found. Possible doubling. These are the just now. These will become the search pennies. I'll put them into. I filled it up already. The little jewelry box on the side here. That jewelry box is full. I will put those into something else, and I'll mark that as searched. That's it. They're searched. These are searched pennies. I took out what I thought were the nicest examples, right? So those are the searched from today. These are the fines from today, like really nice condition. Fines, very fines, extra fines, whatever. These are the common errors from today. And these are so we got some super errors today. We got this one here, which is bananas. Look at that rimless. I never seen that before. I think I've seen it like somebody else have it. Oh, we got this misplaced D. You know what? Let me not go crazy here because they're in the previous videos. If you want to see how I found them, click on that. And what I'm going to do is I will do a separate video just on these super fines here, okay? And that's what I'll do. All right. I'll see you on the next one.